Oh. Oh my god. Sandra. What is this one?
It's a bob, okay?
Okay, like really though with the forehead?
No, definitely not. Oh, yeah.
Remember when you wore this? This looks worse. I can't.
Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe and I'm here with my little sister Maya. She's been asking me to do drag makeup on her for a very long time, so today's the day. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so first we're starting off with the Gleam by Melanie Mills and putting that on as a base. By the way, I have Maya here with me doing the voiceovers and this is the first time she's seen the footage. Does that hurt?
You did it like so hard. It feels like a cactus.
Does not. Bit of Anastasia. We're filling the brows in. How was your experience with this, Maya?
I was really tired, but it was great.
I know, because this was the second time we were doing this, like, immediately after. I did it on Instagram, like, just playing around. I'm like, yo, let's film this. She just started university, so she's mad tired.
Remember when you used to do yours all the way to your hairline almost?
Yo, I still do.
No, it was more before.
Yeah, I remember. I miss it. Going on to the other eyebrow. This is a 7B brush by Anastasia. And we made them hella thick because I was going to snatch them out with the concealer anyways. This is the Urban Decay Light All-Nighter Troublemaker. And I'm wiggling it back and forth on her brow hairs because we didn't do like brow covering because this child is tired and I didn't have any glue or anything like that. So we're just working with what we got. This is like a light drag transformation. Not going above and beyond today.
I already look snatched.
Yes.
I look so pale.
I mean, camera doesn't lie. It's a Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion brush, my Morphe M512 brush, or M511 brush. Just warming up the crease to start our base, you feel me? And wiggle it back for
I
this.
just love my natural hair in this.
Yeah, it's your real hair. This is the Colored Rain Cheers to Beauty palette. I'm going into that orangey shade at the bottom. And I'm just carving out the crease a little bit using a small shadow brush. You fell asleep multiple times.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. And you're lucky that I cut most of it out.
I was resting my eyes.
Yeah, you were thinking with your eyes closed. Right. Morphe 350 palette. 352 palette.
I really
350 palette, sorry. And this is my MAC 239. You are asleep here.
I think I am.
And I didn't want to wake you up.
That's what I look like in class too.
Great. And once you've I just bolded out that orange shade we did and connected it to the bottom, and now I'm just using the same brush we did to snatch the brows to snatch the eyelids and make that space a little bit bigger. You're asleep here fully.
I'm definitely not asleep.
Yes, you are.
Look, I'm talking.
In the highlight shade of the Cheers to Beauty palette again, I'm going to just put that on all over the empty space we did on your lid, just to kind of give like a pearl effect, because we're putting glitter and I don't want it to just be flat white. And I guess we're going in a little extra with that silver glittery color, just putting that all over the lid. Same brush, 239 by MAC. With my Smith Cosmetics 210 brush, I'm just going to draw a little guideline of where I want the wings to be, and from that line we're connecting it to the inner corner of my eye. Maya's just killing herself laughing because she's sleeping. Anyways, filling it in nice and bold and bringing it into the inner corners of my eyes. There, she's asleep again.
I'm definitely not.
You are.
I'm thinking about life.
Right. So that looks exciting. Anyways, just connecting that line into the crease that we did before. This doesn't need to be too perfect because we're going to bold it out again after foundation and everything. This is the Jouer Essential Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm just buffing that all over with a Makeup Forever Kabuki brush. Just buffing that all the way in.
You always make my lips look so like ashy.
Yeah, bro, because I'm gonna overdraw them in a second. Same concealer we snatched the brows and did the eyelids with. I'm gonna do a pretty light color. This is in the shade Light, right down the center of the nose. I was gonna draw a dick, but then I was like, you know what? Our family's probably gonna watch this, so I better not.
They just heard you say it,
They just heard me. Yeah, well, they'll be proud. My Fenty Beauty foundation brush, I'm just gonna press that into the skin. I'm not moving it around, going back and forth, but rather just pressing it in to keep that color in place and going as close as I can underneath the eyes. It's pretty light, and we were just blending out our V shapes. and just pressing it in. I'm also going to take the snatching brush just to clean up the bottom of that liner there, so it's nice and snatched.
I look fluorescent, like actually.
You are in real life too. With the NW50 Studio Conceal and Highlight and Contour sticks from MAC. I don't know what they're called. I'll write it in the description box. We're gonna snatch the nose. This is our base contour. We're doing like a lot. Going around the nose quite tight and around the cheekbones. This really is bomb, and I'm happy I got to use this because it's not something I normally use, but amazing as a contour. It doesn't take off the makeup underneath, and it stays, gives you a nice sharp little contour. So I'm just kind of wisping away the top and the bottom, leaving the center kind of there, just so I get the most intense looking contour ever. And same thing, kind of pushing it in. Whenever you want to take product away, you do the swipes. Whenever you want to leave product there, you just tap it. So I'm kind of tapping away from the center of the nose so it's nice and blended, but she still has that snatched dramatic look. Next, with Patrick's Powder by MAC, I'm taking this not damp Pure Cosmetics sponge, which I should have made damp because it would have made putting this on a little easier. And I'm basically just setting the highlight. And I'm going to take my Midnight Cowboy glitter liner by Urban Decay. I'm using that as a base. I'm filling in that empty space on the eyelid and tapping it to move it around. And then I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics bronze glitter to stipple that on all over. And this is why I was saying the liner doesn't need to be too perfect, because I'm just going to go in and sharpen it up. Here you are sleeping again.
I wasn't. Actually, maybe.
You are. You definitely are. And we're doing everything very extra because drag queens are performers. I know what you're doing. Sleeping.
I'm not. I just laughed. How can I sleep and laugh at the same time? I'm not you.
What? When have I ever done that?
I don't know. Seems like something you would do. Actually, you talk in your sleep, and one time you were sleeping on your couch and you did laugh.
I did?
Yeah.
Look up. No, I didn't. You
like a really big laugh.
What?
Like, oh!
I definitely didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
That's a freaking lie.
I think I was asleep when I was telling that story, because I don't even remember telling it.
Yeah, because this is stupid ass lie. Next with the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline, I'm going in with a white pencil and back in with our Cheers to Beauty palette, and I'm going to go underneath the eye and kind of pull it out towards the bridge of the nose just to exaggerate everything. As I was saying, drag queens are performers, they're beautiful, so everything is more dramatic to really pull forward that illusion and so that it's visible even in the nosebleeds. So I'm going a little extra. I feel like we could have gone more extra in this tutorial, but I was trying to be fast because this chick kept falling asleep on me.
I was not.
Back in with the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Bronze, I'm just going to intensify and bronze the contoured areas just so you aren't fluorescent, as you said, and just bringing that contour a little bit more to life, going around the forehead, just blending everything nicely, you know. And with the Milk highlighter, what's that thing when it's like different colors?
Combo?
No.
Multi?
No. Starts with the H, I think.
Hexagon.
What? No.
Hue.
No. Holographic. Holographic highlighters. And I'm just going in the lightest shade to highlight her chin, her cheekbones, everywhere. With Gleeful blush, I'm just gonna rose up her cheekbones just to tie together the contour, highlight, all of that. And then I'm going to use that holographic highlighter again in the inner corners to pull it down into kind of like a exaggerated tear duct shape. These are two lashes from Sugar Pill. These are, well, this is just one lash to start with that I've put on the top. I'll write the names in the description box if I can find the boxes. I wanted to keep it kind of simple on the top so you could see the eyelids, and then quite dramatic on the bottom so that everything just looks moved around. Her eyes look huge. She looks extra and pretty.
So happy they didn't stick together this time.
Yeah, the first time we did it, her eyelids stuck together in the corner. Anyways, this is the Extended Play Mascara by MAC, and I'm just rolling her lashes into the fake lashes, and I'm putting my finger into her crease just to lift it a little bit. And with the Patrick Starrr MAC Collab Mahogany Lip Pencil, I'm going to overdraw your lips. I feel like the first time I did it, I definitely overdrawed.
You did it like to my nose.
Yeah, which I wish I did in this video, but I wasn't thinking. Anyways.
I was shook though when I saw that first one.
And I'm just doing it like an ombre effect. I'm blending a little bit of that concealer into the center of the lip, and then going over with the Mama Star lip gloss, telling her to rub her lips together. This is where I kind of realized that I didn't go too extra, so I started to blow them up a little bit more with the pencil again. Could have been way more extra with this, but whatever.
I look so good.
You do.
I should be. Oh. Look at how I can make them look.
Yes.
Rub your lips together.
I wish we did this beforehand because we like rubbed off all your eyebrows and some of your makeup by wig switching so much. Yeah.
Sonjra, but look at my ears.
I mean, they've looked better. Yo, this is just getting worse and worse.
It got better.
You think so? You should see the top of it though. It looks really bad, man.
It's pretty bad.
It's really
I'm not
bad.
an expert on wigs or anything, but
Oh, shit.
na 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 na.
Yes! That's the one. You can't see your bun. She has a bun under here.
I think I could see it, but it looks like it's like updo.
Oh, yeah, it looks like
a
this.
body.
Show everything. Don't pull it so forward. Now you look
that
crazy.
looks crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
There you go.
What is this?
Does
Remember when you
work.
wore this? This looks worse than that.
Yeah, no, I mean, I know. Okay, slay a little.
I don't know how to.
You have to embrace the makeup.
Mm-hmm.
This is your ultra ego coming out.
What's your drag name?
No,
Just mayonnaise.
Her drag name is Mayday.
You don't know words.
Okay, like really though with the forehead?
My auntie.
Beyonce.
Maya's on fire.
Like,
Maya's on fire. You got it.
I can't.
She stays ready. Should we put a dress on?
A dress?
Your wig looks so crazy.
It looks crazy?
Yeah, the hairline, but like we can't do anything. We're just gonna have to leave.
Great.
We're gonna have to let you just be like, maybe that's your thing. Mayonnaise doesn't fucking brush her hair. So that completes the look. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Shout out to Maya for being the best model ever.
Thanks.
Stay pretty, love yourself, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care. Do something.